Salam to everyone. Take canvas paper. Width 2.5 inches. Take a piece of canvas paper. Width 1 inch. Length 1 inch. Mark center of the canvas paper. Take the pattern piece and draw it onto canvas paper. Draw it as it's guiding to you. One-time pattern drawing finished. Retrace the pattern piece according to instructions. Pattern tracing done. Separate the two patterns by cutting along the marked lines. Cut along outer lines, keeping both squares attached. We'll do the same for the other one. Pattern cutting done. Tissue fabric. We've ironed the patterns onto the fabric. Leaving about a ½ inch margin, cut the fabric around the pattern. Do the same for both patterns. Clip the fabric. Apply glue to fix the fabric onto canvas. Do the same for all. It's done. Take a piece of tissue fabric. Attach the design to a tissue fabric using glue. We'll do the same for the other one. Edge stitch them. We edge stitched it. Let's edge stitch it. We neatly edge stitched them. Next, take your sleeve and attach this design to your sleeve. Stitch it. We've stitched it. Fold the tissue fabric inside and hand sew it. Mark a line at 1.2 inches on the tissue fabric. 1.2 inches. Leaving 1.2 inches tissue fabric, cut the tissue fabric. Weave hand sew it. We're fraying the tissue fabric by pulling out threads. Spray it until you achieve the desired effect. It's done, achieved desired effect. That's all for today's tutorial, folks. We hope you found it helpful and informative. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, Allah Hafiz and stay creative.